Alright, so the first step in the making the charcoal process is to cut the wood into small enough pieces to fit inside the steel container. So the container that we're actually using for this project is a small paint can. Trust me, it's a lot harder to cut this wood than it looks.
Nice.
So the next step is we had to dig a fire pit. We're not digging that far deep. We're just clearing out some of the grass and then putting rocks around it to contain the fire. And the first fire pit that we had was too close to the house, so we had to create another one to move it backwards, give us some more space. Okay, so for this part of the project, we were trying to ignite the wood to create a fire, and we were trying to use the concentrated solar dish that I had just to see if we could get it to work. So we struggled for a while, and eventually we had to switch over to, just a conventional fire technique. So we just got a lighter, an electronic lighter, and then we had some fire starter to get the fire going. Once we got the fire going, then I put the paint can with the small wood that we chopped up earlier into the container and then hammered the seal of the container down. So I flipped it over and then I put 3 holes in the bottom of it so that it would be an outlet for the gas to escape. So as expected, initially it's just steam coming out of the holes of the container, but eventually you can see that the smoke coming out actually ignites, and this is the part in which the volatile organic compounds are coming out of the wood. So meanwhile, while the fire was burning, we just kept getting more rocks to secure the fire pit a little bit more, and then we just let it continue to burn. And then eventually it burned itself out, and we poured some water to put out the fire after it was burning for a little while. Okay, so after we put out the fire and the container finally cooled down, I opened it up to see the result, and actually, to my surprise, it actually worked out perfectly, and we had perfectly black charcoal, which is pretty much almost pure carbon.